Anand Prabha is the assistant professor in mathematics at Kanya Maha Vidyalaya, Jalandhar in Punjab. She has a degree, a MSc degree in mathematics and also a BEd. And she's also currently pursuing a Ph.D. in mathematical modeling in environmental sciences. Her area of interest is Vedic mathematics and ancient mathematics in India. She has taken a lead in successfully running short Vedic mathematics and workshops. Anand has also started her own YouTube channel named Vedic Ganit Shastram in 2020. She's also a very proud recipient of the Teacher Par Excellence Award by the International Institute of Hotel Management in New Delhi for recovering and revitalizing education for the COVID-19 generation. Anand has presented papers at national and also at international conferences, and she's published 2 books, a textbook of analysis and also linear algebra. So very welcome, and we look forward to your talk.
Yeah, thanks for the nice introduction, ma'am. Namaskar to all. I'm Anand Prabha, professor in mathematics at Kanya Maha Vidyalaya, Jalandhar. First of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Honorable Mr. James, founder of IAVM, and Ms. Swati Dave, trustee and co-founder of the institute, to give me an opportunity to express me about the journey of Vedic mathematics at Kanya Maha Vidyalaya, Jalandhar. So before sharing the journey and success story of Vedic maths with all of us, I want to introduce a little bit about the host institution Kanya Maha Vidyalaya, where Vedic maths initiative has been taken place. So with a priceless inheritance of 136 years, Kanya Maha Vidyalaya, the heritage and autonomous institution established in 1886, has the proud distinction of being the first educational institution for women in North Asia. It is a prestigious name of women's education, empowerment, and emancipation. Swati ma'am, there is some disturbance.
Just give 1 minute. I'm going to mute. Somebody is joining and they are not on mute. I'm trying to find it. Ramya, can you mute everyone, please? Yeah, thank you. Sorry, ma'am. Go ahead.
I'm continuing, ma'am. So it is a prestigious name of women's education, empowerment, and emancipation under the dynamic supervision of esteemed Shri Chandra Mohanji, President KMV, and Honorable Principal Professor Dr. Atima Sharma Dwivedi. Lumina Harvard University KMV has taken a giant leap by placing itself into a higher league of colleges that enjoy the honor of uplifting academic standard towards excellence by developing new age innovative programs and value-added courses. Kanya Mahavidyalaya has international collaborations. It has signed MOU with Lorraine University, Hungary, Lesley University, USA, Chatham University, USA, and world active academic partnership with Boston University, USA. So before coming to the Vedic Mathematics Initiative, I just want to have a look on this glorious institution for for 2 or 3 minutes.
Anand, is there audio associated with this? We cannot hear the audio.
It's not audible, ma'am?
No, there's no audio. It's very very low.
Okay.
There's always a problem with video is
Ma'am.
sometimes the audio is not, but that's okay. That's okay. You can, If you just want to talk and tell us what it is so that we understand more. So this is basically you're showing your college and
Yeah,
all the
yeah, yeah.
facilities. Yeah. I think if you want, we can move ahead, Anand, because anyway, we're not able to hear.
Just wait, ma'am.
Yeah, no worries. Take care. Yeah.
It's still going on, ma'am. It's still going on.
No, you're not sharing your screen.
Okay,
We
right,
cannot see
right, right,
anything. Yeah.
right. Just wait.
If you can share your screen and if you
Okay, right.
continue with your presentation,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah, ma'am.
And you can share that YouTube video with us. We can put it on our Facebook to just
Yeah,
kind of
yeah,
like,
ma'am. Sure, sure, sure. I'm
yeah,
just switch up the video.
yeah,
Okay. Yeah, I'm just going to my presentation about
yep,
Vedic mathematics.
yeah, yeah, definitely. Thank you.
So, first of all, I want to introduce the PG Department of Mathematics who took this initiative to start Vedic Mathematics at Kanya Maha Vidyalaya. So, we are running three courses. The one is MSc Mathematics, BSc Honors Mathematics, and certificate course in Vedic Mathematics. And the lady in blue, she is the head of the department Mathematics. Under the leadership, the department is doing well in the area of Vedic Mathematics. Now, the journey of Vedic mathematics started at KMV. First of all, we started the Vedic mathematics crash course in 2015-16 for the students of plus one and plus two, and it is about the shortcuts in multiplication. More than 200 students participated in this program, and they really enjoyed the techniques of Vedic mathematics that were taught by me in this crash course. And after that, we started the KMV School of Vedic Mathematics. Then we started KMV School of Vedic Mathematics, and we started 3 month certificate course in Vedic Mathematics. It is the joint collaboration of the Department of Mathematics and Vedic Research Center, KMV. And this certificate course includes in-depth study of all the Vedic mathematics sutra. It's not about the shortcuts or only the English versions of the sutras. In the Sanskrit sutra that we taught in the we are going to teach in the classroom, then we go ahead for the applications of the Vedic Sutras. And this course helps in generating self employment. And this is an add on course. And then 30 students enrolled in 2016. And then in the annual function, the students got their certificates by the principal Kanya Maha Vidyalaya Jalandhar. During the session of 16-17, the Vedic mathematics lecture series were arranged for the students and teachers of Kanya Mahavidyalaya, and by this is a joint collaboration of Vedic Research Center, and it was sponsored by Maharishi Sandeepni Rashtraved Vidya Pratishthan Ujjain, and the special invited talks by Mrs. Veena Deepak and by Mrs. Anand Prabha. We delivered the talk on the sutras of Vedic mathematics. Then we started our some different kind of activities in the classroom, as well as inter-college, intra-college competition. Then we organized the Vedic Maths Tambola quiz. It's a fun-filled activity where students learn the Vedic mathematics techniques in a new way. Then in when the college got the autonomy in 2018, then we converted that 3-month certificate course into the 9-month certificate course in Vedic mathematics. And it comes under the Faculty of Sciences, and we have one paper under it in 2018, and the name of the paper is Vedic Mathematics. And I have mentioned the syllabus over here, all the sutras, right from the arithmetic to the polynomials, to solve the polynomial, till the Lobh Sthapna Madhyam Sutra. We have arranged all the sutras accordingly. And this course is for the +2 students who are not who have not taken mathematics as a subject in +1 +2. So this is open for all the students, either from any stream: humanities, arts, commerce and sciences. Then after that, during the session, we arranged a Vedic mathematics workshop in the Inspired Internship Program. This is a program sponsored by Department of Science and Technology, New Delhi. And Dr. Sanjeev Sharma, he was the resource person, and you can see from the picture that he gave a very beautiful formula of Vedic mathematics. He elaborated all the sutras among the students, and more than 300 students from all over the Punjab, they participated in this uh, function. So then next is Vedic mathematics initiative taken by KM School of Vedic mathematics during lockdown. So what initiative we have taken to popularize the Vedic mathematics? So first of all, we have arranged 1 week free online courses on Vedic mathematics, and I, as a resource person, took these classes. And you can see from my screen that each and every sutra that I have written in Sanskrit, then I have translated into English, then I give the applications of that sutras. And students, you can see so many students, more than 100 to more than 150 students joined this course, and they enjoyed really the beauty of Vedic mathematics. Then I have started. So as each and everyone is not in a position to take admission in colleges, so for that I started my YouTube channel Vedic Ganesh Shastram during 2020, so that every student who is not a student of AMV or any other college can easily get the mathematics shortcuts from my YouTube channel. Then we also arrange an online chart making competition from the students of Kanya Maha Vidyalaya. They beautifully depict the techniques of Vedic mathematics. So this is only the way to engage them during the pandemic. Then, as the 14th March is about to come, and the last day, we have also celebrated 14th March as the International Day of Mathematics, Pi Day, and the birth anniversary of founder father of Vedic mathematics. And we have organized the poster making competition and the Mehndi competition. It's just a type of dye that is put on the hand, and you can see a student beautifully written the sutra Yavadunam Tavduni Vargam Toyojret on her hand. So this is the way we can inculcate Vedic mathematics among the students. Then after this journey, during this journey, I thought two paper must be in the as I am the only teacher. I am the teacher of Vedic mathematics there, apart from other courses of mathematics in BSc and MSc. Then I thought there must be the two papers, and I have introduced a new paper, the Vedic arithmetic and application, Vedic algebra and geometry in 21-22. And the main outcomes for this course is to enhance the computation skill of the students, and to develop and instill love and remove the fear of mathematics, promote Vedic culture and insight into the Indian mathematics, ancient mathematics. And this is a syllabus, so you can see that right from the each and in every unit I have clearly state the sutras used in multiplication, square roots, factorization, algebraic operations, factorization, root of equation, and even geometry. And we have in the past year we have 12 students. Now we have 10 students. So this is an add-on course, and our students of MSc Mathematics, BSc Honors Mathematics, BSc Computer Science students, they enroll for this course. Now I'm talking about 14th March. This is about to come. Then we have again planned for our activity to inculcate Vedic mathematics among students, and all over India we are getting the very good response. We are organized e-collage on the applications of Vedic mathematics and slogan writing on pi and mathematical dance, so that students can indulge themselves in the ancient Indian mathematics. So our collaborative journey of Kanya Maha Vidyalaya started with Institute for Advancement of Vedic Mathematics in September 2021. I have been appointed as a regional coordinator for conducted in International Vedic Mathematics Olympiad. Then, and our students got the glorious results in this Olympiad. Nidhi, the student of MSc Mathematics. So actually, this is a college. I have the students of BSc and MSc, and this is also and she has also added this certificate course in her hand. So she got a gold medal in the open category and got overall third rank in the open category of IMO 2021. And our two students, Albi and Prapkida, they got the silver medal, and our two students, Bharti and Mansi, they got the still they are the students of MSc Mathematics, they got the bronze medal. And all the students honored with the certificates awarded by IAVM UK for getting positions in International Vedic Olympiad in the morning assembly by our honorable principal, Dr. Professor Atima Sharma Dwivedi. So whatever we do, whatever the activities we performed in the department, in the college level, all are published in the newspaper. So you can see as there some are in the English language, some in the native language, Hindi and even Punjabi, as I am from Punjab. So you can see each and every. So this is the way uh, uh, to 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 enroll the people how Vedic mathematics, how Kanya Maha Vidyalaya is doing the best in enhancing Vedic mathematics. And this is, I want to introduce my wonderful student in Vedic mathematics. She is Vadinder Kaur, and she has already completed his certificate course in Vedic mathematics, and she is doing BSc Honors Mathematics. She has attended so many workshops, and she has attended paper in international conference, and tomorrow she is going to present a workshop for the students, and I'm very thankful to the IAVM team who gave her opportunity to express herself in this international platform. And we are looking ahead in 2022. So we are supposed to have an international workshop on Vedic mathematics, and with IAVM, and to sign MOU with Institute of Advancement of Vedic Mathematics with the due permission of the principal of Kanya Maha Vidyalaya Jalandhar, and also to introduce advanced Vedic mathematics in our undergraduate and postgraduate courses. So this is all about the success story and journey of Vedic mathematics at Kanya Maha Vidyalaya Jalandhar. Thank you.